Hello everyone, I would like to thank you all for your time. My name is Erin Lee and I'm majoring in English Language and Literature. Here is the list of contents. As the environmental crisis worsens, people are striving to protect the planet. For example, we use electric cars, recycle plastic bottles, and develop sustainable packaging. But what about buildings? How can you construct eco-friendly architecture? So today, I would like to give a presentation about agritecture, a concept focused on green architecture. Agritecture is a combination of agriculture and architecture, and it has recently gained attention for its positive impact on sustainable urban design, building materials, and harmony with nature. First, sustainable urban design. Agritecture designs urban buildings in a sustainable way that minimizes energy consumption. For example, Seoul City Hall's new office is a representative example of agritecture built with sustainable urban design. Its roof is shaped like the eaves of a traditional Korean-style house, so it can control the indoor temperature by utilizing the seasonal differences of the sun's altitude. Since it makes the best use of the natural energy in air conditioning and heating, it contributes to energy conservation. And second, building materials. Unlike traditional architecture, agritecture uses some eco-friendly materials for a sustainable city. According to a study, conventional building materials like concrete and steel consume more energy and CO2 emission compared to eco-friendly building materials such as vegetables and rock wool. At this chart, the overall sustainability score of eco-friendly materials was 11% higher than conventional materials. So we can find that agritecture, which utilizes eco-friendly materials, is highly sustainable. And finally, harmony with nature. Agritecture aims to achieve harmony with natural environment in buildings. Actually, traditional architecture generally focuses on only the aesthetic aspects of the nature, but however, agritecture works to harmonize the building environment with nature in many ways. In some cases, it constructs a green garden inside the building so that people can experience nature even in the middle of the city. For example, in Toyeonda, Seoul, there are sound forests and waterfall garden, and they have people calm and relaxed. In conclusion, as agritecture contributes to continual city consumption, environment-friendly building materials, and harmony of nature and building, it is gaining more and more importance these days. I'm looking forward to a future where we can all live in harmony with nature through agritecture. Before I finish, I'm going to have a brief Q&A session. Do you have any questions? Then, thank you for listening to my presentation.